Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica. If you're new here, welcome. I am so happy to have you. I'd love if you'd hit that subscribe button before leaving, give it a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started. So today's video is part of my Mascara Madness series. If you have not been watching it, I will put a link down below to all the different Mascara Madness videos that I have done. But I'm always on the hunt for the next greatest mascara that there is, whether it be brand name or drugstore. So today is going to be a combination of two higher end ones. I think it was my last one. It might not be my last one, but in one of my Mascara Madness videos, I did the Lancome Monsieur Big, and this one blew my mind away. It was phenomenal, just like everyone said it was. I compared this one to the MAC False Lashes, and this one by far. So I'm going to be comparing it to the It Cosmetics Superhero, which is another one that a lot of people love that is a little bit more pricey. So we're going to see if the Monsieur Big or the It Superhero wins out on this challenge. So I have everything done except for my eye makeup since I was going to be doing my Mascara Madness series. I will link all that down below if you're wondering what I am wearing. Okay, so in order to do my eye makeup today, I'm going to go in with my Pixie palette. I've been loving Pixie palettes. They are great. They're easy to blend. They're super affordable and just a great option. So I'm going to go in with this really light color up here. I highly recommend, if you have not tried any Pixie products, that you definitely try out their eye products, especially their palettes, because I think for the price they are wonderful. I have less fallout with them than I do with some of my high-end eyeshadow palettes, and they're very easy to work with, and I just love them. So I would suggest you trying them. I do not believe that this palette is made anymore. It was a Christmas one, but they have lots of other ones. I'm gonna go with the rose gold color here, and I'm just gonna kind of pack that right onto the lid. It has this beautiful, and they're not really like high shimmer, it's almost like a frost, but they look how pretty that is. So pretty. So I'm just gonna pack it onto the lid, right in the corner, and then like the center of my lid is where I'm putting that. I'm gonna go for a lighter look since I'm wearing a really bright colored shirt. All right, and then in the outer corner, I am going to use I think I'm gonna use this slate kind of gray, which is also, it looks to be like it's the same type of formula, that frost color. Ooh, these colors look really pretty together. I don't know about you, but I love gray and light pink together. I think it is like the perfect color combo for outfits. Look how pretty that looks together. Oh, that's so gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna do that on this side too. I used to have this tube top when I was in high school that was light pink and gray. I think it was from Express. It was my all-time favorite shirt. I still remember it to this day. But I just love the colors in that. Look how pretty that is. Oh, so pretty. Okay, and then I want to kind of just concentrate the color there. So I'm going to go in with this kind of like a little bit deeper of like a brown color. I'm just going to put it up into my crease just to kind of blend it so there's no harsh top line, and there's a little bit of color up there with the rest of the look. I just love the way their eyeshadow palettes are. Okay, I'm gonna go with an angled brush, and I'm gonna go back into that slate color to kind of tie it together and just make that line underneath so it looks like I have a little bit of a shadow, keeping with that same color. I love doing this. I feel like it gives a more natural look using the eyeshadow palette. I don't have a problem with it smearing or smudging throughout the day. I just feel like it wears better. Oh, that looks so pretty. I highly recommend that you try their palettes. Okay, so on to the Mascara Madness part. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes because I do that every single time I wear mascara. I'm gonna stop my video for just a second because it sounds like my boys are starting to get in an argument. Okay, sorry, I'm back. That is part of being a mom and filming on the weekends with the kids. All right, let me go ahead and curl this side. Okay, so on this side, I'm going to put the Monsieur Big, which was the number one and the last one. When I compared it to the MAC, this one outperformed it. It really does a great job of lengthening, so I already know how this one's gonna look, and giving you really big lashes. I mean, my eyelashes look like they just grew ×3. I don't know if you can see that. Look at that. Wow. If you want to spend money on an expensive mascara that works, this one is amazing. Okay, so let's see how the IT Cosmetics compares. This is the Superhero. We're gonna go ahead and put it on the other side. Oh, you guys, this looks exactly the same. Oh my gosh, I can't tell a difference between the two. Hold on, you guys have got to see this. My lashes just grew 3 times. They're exactly the same length on both sides, and I cannot tell. Can you guys tell? I cannot tell a difference between the two sides. Wow. I wonder which one's cheaper. I didn't even look that up before I did the video. I'm gonna have to look that up now. But they look exactly the same. So whichever one's cheaper or a deal on, I would totally get it. If you want to spend the money on a mascara that is a high end, that looks amazing. It looks like I'm wearing false lashes, which I will never wear, or have I tried. They scare me. But anyway, oh my gosh, like I cannot, what do you guys think? Tell me down below. But they look exactly the same in person. The length, the color, the bold, everything. I can't tell a difference at all. So whichever one's on deal, whichever one is cheaper, I'd go with that because they perform exactly the same. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's my final thought on that. Both of these mascaras are a go. They're definitely great. So depending upon which company you like better or price-wise or whatever, both of them look exactly the same. So I thank you so much for watching. I hope that I will see you in my next videos, and comment down below what you think, but I'm impressed. All right, have a great day. Bye guys.